Here's what an emotionally neglected inner child needs to hear. It is okay to feel emotions. There's no need to be afraid of them anymore, they are safe to experience now. Childhood shouldn't have been rushed. It's time to embrace fun and play, the way it was meant to be. Seeking help and opening up to others is a safe step. While it may feel scary, being loved and appreciated by those who care is deserved. The strength shown in handling things alone is admirable, but there's no need to continue doing so, support is here now. Comparing yourself to others isn't necessary. Despite the years lost to neglect, progress is being made, and that's enough. Taking breaks shouldn't bring guilt or shame. Self-worth isn't tied to being useful to others. A place where true belonging exists will be found, alongside people who love and accept you without requiring sacrifices. Love is unconditional and unwavering, always there, no matter what. Remember, healing begins by listening to the needs of the inner child and providing the care and love that was once missing. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Isabella's Homes, your recovery gateway.